So how does the Kagama LE compare to this? Now this is an EXB. I believe it's a version 1 EXB Kraton. It's just got a custom purple body on it and some other 3D printed parts. It's got a couple of upgrades, but otherwise it's mostly stock. The Kagama limited edition and a fully MC2 aftermarket Kraton with, of course, magmas. And I think the only thing stock on this is pretty much the body at this point. So this is a size comparison between them all. You'll see the differences in the tires. Of course, this is on magmas right now. I usually have this on backflips, but I'm trying out different things and still trying out other shocks as well. The Kraton, the Kagama, and then of course the custom. Now the Kagama has got a nice little spot here for the GNSS, and it's got a spot to hang the fans for its overpowered motor. And I always put fans on all of my stuff. As you can see, there's always fans on the motors. I usually upgrade the fans in the ESCs as well. But this is, this is braced really well. This looks very sturdy. And so far, I've just done a few little things with this. And here's a back view. Now I always do the RPM brace and wheelie bar mount on all the Kratons. And I put the Team Corrali wheelie bar on the Kagama as well. And it's much needed. Now all of my diffs are pretty much earplugged because that's just what I prefer. I'm still playing around with shocks and spring rates on this deal. These are some aftermarket big bores I found on Evil Bay. But this thing is a ripper. This will run on 8S, which just makes it completely insane. And this thing is just completely... If I had my pick between like a out-of-the-box EXB Kraton or the Kagama limited edition, I'd go with the Kagama. Not as readily available as parts as the Kratons are, apparently. But Team Corrali does offer a lot of little carbon fiber bits, like inserts for the control arms all the way around, some inserts for the bracing as well. It comes with this nice padded deal. I did have to glue an antenna into the box. It seemed loose because I like everything secure. I do like the button placement on this as well. This right now is one of my top 5 favorites out of all the cars that are in the room here, which is quite a bit. But yeah, I told you I'd give you guys a comparison on these. So here it is.